Hi, I'm going to be doing a vegetarian soup-based recipe today. So these are the ingredients that I usually use. So let's get started. So I'm going to add in some grapeseed oil into a pan, and then 1.5 cups of onions. I'm going to stir that up a little bit. And as that's cooking, I'm going to add in some shiitake mushrooms. Add some salt to taste. And keep stirring that up. I'm going to add in 7 cups of water. I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of jicama and 1.5 cups of carrots. I'm going to add in 4 diced tomatoes. I'm going to add in some fried bean curd tofu. Three tablespoons of mushroom seasoning. 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Now I'm going to use a dashi powder, so 1 tablespoon of the umami broth. I'm going to add some ingredients into the soup. I'm going to add in some yu choy, but it's up to you, whatever you want to use. I'm going to let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes to get all the flavors out. Now you have a vegetarian soup base for some noodles. And usually garnish it with some cilantro. There you go. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.